Guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset on this device. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume down button. You just tap on both and hold. Keep holding. And once you feel a smooth vibration and also see Vivo logo, you can remove both fingers from both buttons and wait till it's rebooted. And that's it, that will be all. Now just unlock your device and use it smoothly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.